Yo, alright, took a bad loss yesterday. We gotta make $60 today. And looks like we're gapping up. Nvidia is pretty high pre-market. Microsoft is kind of iffy. Closest to my levels is Tesla, I'm gonna say. Can mark the risk on SPY. Alright, we're in. So we tapped the 545.50 level. Looking for that being support for the day. 545.50. I was in and out of that. 591. Market kind of weak. Maybe Microsoft puts. Well, we'll see. Still no clear direction. Nobody's really in control right now for SPY. You have Tesla pushing up. Attempt to push up on NVIDIA. Sellers will probably get in this now. I just want to play it. This might be a quick play. Here's my defined risk, and I might just go put above this line. This is confirmation, and then this is gap fill. Let's see. SPY again, failing it. I just kind of want a little break with that line. I don't want to get in and then we get a break and we get 36.60, and then now it's like, oh, I'm stopped. I kind of want to clearly define risk. I can also do a break of this line and then have my risk up here. I can also do that play, but Microsoft puts too. I can also do that. We're very far from the moving average though, so I don't know. But this NVIDIA is going to try to get down there to that moving average. Sure. There we go. But you gotta keep size small. Gotta keep size small. Dang. That's a minute. Boom. Got it for 115. Now we get a bounce off this line. Okay, never mind. Let me not stop talking. And all we're looking for is a gap fill. You might have a rejection off the moving average, so you just want to watch those. Keep your finger on the sell. Mind you, these are 1 days, so you know, high risk, high reward on 1 days. If SPY continues, NVIDIA is gonna continue. But low key, NVIDIA has just been doing its own thing. So is Microsoft, kinda. Microsoft kinda resembles a little bit. I feel like Microsoft wants to break. I like Microsoft on calls. I mean, cause if you wanted to drop on Microsoft, you would have dropped. You drop down here, we come back, and we drop down. That should have just been this candle should have been down here, all the way towards the liquidity. Okay, they're bouncing off I got 20% off that bounce, and then now it's reversing up. I don't like a candle like this. Yeah, I was about to say, cause I would have got out at 16. I think 20% is like $20. Close to it, something like that. That really don't scare me too much. Yeah, I needed to reject. This might be a good area to take Microsoft. But I don't want to do calls and puts at the same time. So I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna wait for this NVIDIA play to hit. Microsoft is gonna be there. I don't like that. If it wanted to go, it would have went. So we need a gap fill. Cause yeah, I don't want to go. I mean, gap fill is like one of the most simplest things you can play. Table stop losses at that gap. There we go. If this candle don't push, I'm out. This should be the one that really goes all the way down. But if this is kind of holds this level, then there's no point of being inside this trade. Okay. Okay. Okay, let me see. Now you really want to see, yeah, if it pushes lower, because that should bring some sellers in, enough for a momentum down here. This should honestly be like a $40 trade. It looks like Microsoft is getting right for me, holding this line pretty well. The moving average is kind of keeping it at this level for right now, which is a good thing, because I can finish my NVIDIA trade and then get into Microsoft. Did some dumb stuff yesterday. I was up $140 off one candle, and okay, let's get out, man. I was up $100 something off one candle. It's probably gonna gap fill, but I just protect my winnings for right now. I mean, I know it's gonna gap fill actually. but you know, get a little win, getting something different. Yeah, just like that. Alright, Microsoft has another entry. Back at this moving average. And my stop will be the line. Right, because now that it's like genuinely crossed that line. Like it should not go back under again. I might have missed it, but probably missed it. I mean, it's always cool. I could go for a spy play. That kind of defines the risk. I mean, that kind of defines a reward for this trade. Tesla would have been a good one off this bounce. I wasn't paying attention. That would have been so crispy. That's a good trade, bruh. I don't want to look at Tesla's chart because I really. Dang. Delta. Netflix is one of them ones, bruh. Set the levels real quick. It might be. Netflix is like. It's expensive though. But if you hit on Netflix, you hit. It's kind of holding the moving average. I want to get in at $86. We'll do it. Dang, instantly lost 4. I should reject this line. If candle closes in this line, we're in trouble. 16, 20, right at 20%. 8, 7, 6. Nah, it's too much buying, too much selling. I can't get a sell, bruh. It's kind of annoying. Cause you, like, when you can't get a sell, this is what happened yesterday. There we go. Like, I can't get filled. I should have knew. I wasn't going to get no sell. Let me see. I think I'm at a net loss after that. Yeah. I mean, I would have sold a couple dollars short, but you know, it is what it is. I guess I should continue. I guess I was really doing its own thing. looks like he's rejecting a fair value gap area. Maybe a pushback in if idea calls. Market's pretty weak. I think I should do calls for nothing. I think it's just all puts. I think SPY puts. I haven't traded SPY in a long time. I don't think since last week. I use it as confirmation a lot. Let's lower the risk on that. Get in. I like that 110. Try to push back up. Am I gonna get filled? I don't think I'm gonna get filled. Just trying to figure out what to do. Getting a break. I might have to super sell. I might have to sell, bruh. Not gonna lie. Dang, that's only a $6 move. These are 0 days. I don't know. Yeah, I don't feel like the contracts are worth the risk. I don't feel like they're worth the risk. How much money do I have? Let's see. $700. Video is holding. I like the video calls again. Thinking the video wants to do a liquidity grab down here and then just push up. But there's high buying presence. That's why I'm like, we gotta go calls. Directed off that again. And just miss it. Is that it? Is that the move down I need? I don't know. I don't think that's enough for me. I want to get this at the best price possible. Yo, I feel like Microsoft's about to drop again. And maybe I'm tripping, but like, we drop down, come up, and we drop again. This is supposed to be like, I mean, especially with this SPY chart, we're supposed to be going there, but we're like doing nothing for 3 candles, 4 candles. Like, this is nothing. Oh, that's the move I wanted. Exactly the move I wanted. But it's not grabbing the liquidity. I feel like it touched it. I need to grab the liquidity. I need like it to clearly stop people out. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. Clearly stop people out. Stop them out too. Let's go. Dang, already? Bruh. That's just a liquidity grab, bruh. We know. Come on, bruh. Stop playing with me. I've seen this before. We're just grabbing liquidity. Now we gotta push up to. We need to go down to go up. Take them sellers. You take the sellers out, and you push up with strong momentum. With strong momentum. With the strong momentum, yeah, something like that. I've seen this before, bruh. Too many times. Candle that fast. Candle that fast. No, ain't no normal candle, bruh. 20%. Yeah, we keep going. I feel like there's a continuation, but should be support now. Yeah, I'm about to say it should be support. I'm targeting this 130, 136.31 area. Nothing can really stop us after this fair value gap. Right here, this is a very small, tight fair value gap too. Super. that. I don't like that. I want to stay in because I want to see if this line support, but if this line actually acts as support, I'll get in for more, but it looks like I'm gonna have to quickly sell. This line on SPY is annoying, bruh. I shouldn't lose anything though. I should make money on this trade. I'm going more. I'm going higher risk. I'm going higher risk. Now I have potential to lose money, but at $15. Try to close it down. Let me make sure it's 2. Now everything doubles like Monopoly. Yeah, me. Now everything doubles like Monopoly. Take out that 20%. Wow, we're really rejecting. We're really rejecting. Wow. The video's trying to hold though. I don't. We're getting rejections at the level, and that's my stop. I guess my stop can just be under that. Is this real though? I don't know. I don't know if that's real. You feel me? I feel like that's just like, come on, bruh. I don't think this candle's real. I'm gonna let my risk kind of play out a little bit here. I genuinely don't think that's real. That's like a real drop. It's just kind of sellers being like, hey, I'm here. Like normally I'd respect my stop, but like I don't know. Like, you feel me? Like, look at this pushback in. Like, that ain't, you feel me? That's not real. Like, that's a real move. This is not a real move. This is not a real move. Like, this, I mean, this makes sense. But like, you feel me? We've been trying this line so many times, bruh. This is butter now. But like, what is it gonna take for this to turn into support? Because now it's like, it's really nothing. No, neither support or resistance. It's just like a line. You feel me? Like after a green engulfing candle, what do we like? After a green engulfing candle, we're still going downside. It doesn't make sense. We've been trying this line so much. We dropped all the way down here to pull back up. It just would make more sense to buy, right? But we just can't shake the sellers off. I mean, this trade worked. I will say it worked. It's like, I don't know what's going on. genuinely cannot tell you what's going on. Like, you feel me? I guess this seller's battling for this line, but like, we're already so, like, on SPY, they're already so far under the moving average. Like, buyers should just be able to take this, like, with strong conviction. I see sellers have stops. I mean, they have their take profits. Like, down there or whatever. But, like, I mean, there's liquidity, like, feel me? Yeah, we should. It's red again. Like, you mean, yo, man. SPY is still kind of holding though. So is Nvidia. Nvidia's holding very strong. I don't like a close under this green candle. That means weakness. Okay. Because I'm telling you, this is the trade, bro. I would triple in. But I just don't know when this is gonna go. But I know it is. Like, this is it. Wow. This actually doesn't make sense. This actually does not make sense. We're getting higher highs. Pushing down. If it wicks down here, I might. Nah. It's just taking out stops. I genuinely don't know what's going on here. Cause it's kind of holding. If you want to drop, you can drop. You know, I might have to triple down. Triple down. I don't know. I don't know if that's the right move with how these charts are moving, but I just gotta remember. I'm all in. I'm all in for $300. Wow. Wow. We're having an engulfing candle. Wow. After the triple down, it's an engulfing. Are we serious? I gotta be ready. SPY is like, bro, I'm telling you we're about to go. Like, there's no doubt about it. Next candle. Next candle, bro. What? It's like when Spy move, whatever Spy does, Nvidia is doing twice as much, bro. It's doubling it. See, like, there's no reason it should be red, realistically, just if you're just looking at Nvidia's candle, Nvidia's chart. But when you look at Spy, Spy is red for some reason. Why is Spy red? No one knows. Nobody knows. My average must be close. Yeah, I think it's time to get out. I think it's time to get out. Like $6 a contract. Down $10 a contract. But like, oh my gosh, Spy chart, like I know the I know the upside move is coming though. Like, I know it for sure. You know what I mean? Like, come on, bruh. I know it's like control your risk, but like, I'm so confident about this trade, bruh. We gap down. I'm very confident about this trade. It's like it's not enough momentum. It's not enough momentum. Bro, I know this trade, bruh. I know it. I know it's there, bruh. And I know if I sell right now, bruh, I'm going to be mad. Spy's doing it. Spy's doing it. Nvidia's not following. Granted, Nvidia is its own entity. But with Spy moving like that, we should be just resisting the downside. I just need to know I'm right. I don't even care about the money right now. I just want to know I'm right. Take a trim. this runner. Cut my losses on. Might stay in this runner. Let's see. I'm gonna exit green. Just said. Alright, like I said, bro. Sometimes you just gotta trust yourself. Luckily, my risk with 3 contracts was very, very thin tight. It was paper tight. Like for this jump to come all the way down here. Mind you, I bought like somewhere around here, I want to say. So for this jump to come all the way down here, and I was only down $30. I mean, that's beautiful, honestly. Re-entering. I'm waiting for this Microsoft. I want to do my Microsoft calls. But you gotta wait for the Microsoft to stop moving, almost. Spy got it. Grab that liquidity. Okay. I might be looking for Microsoft downside. More liquidity down here. I mean, you have this. I mean, it's just so much we can grab. Control Z. What the heck? So I need Microsoft to come back up to this line. Well, if you come back up to this line, we'll flush. Especially after this, I mean, after Spy does this thing, bro, you should be like, the fact that it's still going down, regardless of what Spy is on. And then, sorry, I just needed to come up a little bit. What I think I'm scared of is if it does come up. This is a very steep drop. So if it does come up, it might be a reversal candle. And not, it might be reversal, like the whole trend reversal. I mean, coming down this steep and then banging up, like, I can't buy while it's downtrending now. Like it's just the rule of thumb. Like you shouldn't buy momentum. Netflix. Netflix is at one of its liquidity grabs right now. Grabbed it. Continuing. We're looking for some green candles. What's going on? Microsoft, like I said, bro, it's a lot of liquidity down Microsoft. And honestly, if Microsoft don't come back up, it's no point in getting in this trade anymore. So we wait for Microsoft to hit this liquidity, and then that's when we do calls. Simple as that. I could have shorted Spy too. Knowing, like, I mean, like, when it comes up, it gotta come down. It was actually a perfect trade. Like I said, bruh, I know my stuff. You know.
thing was John, and I didn't know like it can mean different things, but you can say like that John over there, like that baddie over there, pass me that John, like passing something. John is like you can use multiple words. Yeah. Another thing I did not know was belt to ass. So like you can use it like it's just like I don't know like if you had a drunk night like the liquor put belt to ass like it won basically. Yeah. Another one I didn't know was champ. Like you're so champ. Like that could mean like you're so like um how do they say like corny. Yeah. Like you're so champ. Shout out to Travis Scott, man. I still ain't seen nobody have a concert like Travis Scott. Niggas dying in the crowd, bro. I still ain't seen nobody have the movement, emotion like Travis Scott concerts. Travis Scott, low-key got the best concerts.
Bro, what is he talking about, bro? Bro, what is he talking about? Yo. Don't you have an exam to do? Don't you have the exam to do? You know it's 11:59, right? I'm playing. Yo! That is about to be 11 o'clock though. Yo, what's up, that a bed, bruh? Low key, yo, last semester was bad, bruh. It's just because I had that 8 a.m. on Fridays. Do I have an 8 a.m. next semester? Nah, I don't. Alright, so this is exactly what I needed. Yeah, May. Nice and cheap. Low risk. Get me in for more. Get me in for more.
Nigga.
What?
Bro, I was in a FaceTime with this dumbass nigga
Kayla?
before I went to sleep now. And then I fell asleep. Nigga, how am I still on the fucking call? What the fuck, bro? Bro, my phone was over the edge, bro. I don't even know when I went to sleep before, man, though.
Yeah, May. Mm-mm.
Actually, fuck that. I don't even know this phone's. This phone's weird. Let's study
Yeah.
psychology for a cool.
You're studying psychology.
Yeah, let's do it for a cool hour.
The easiest class
Psychology is not an easy class.
known to man.
Don't
The easiest class known to man you're studying for.
Got it,
Let me actually see. What is the easiest class? Film and history, creative writing, phys ed, and psychology is 4.
So what?
Psychology is 4 on easiest college classes.
Easiest college classes?
Yeah.
What's after?
Public speaking, anthropology, art history, and acting.
Oh shit. Nah, you need to sleep, man. No.
I don't like that at all. Microsoft is still weak? There's no way. Oh, because SPY is just grabbing liquidity. So when SPY grabs it didn't take the liquidity though. I don't know. I'm sure this is an uptrend though. And the risk isn't high, I'm not gonna lie. I don't
Yo,
know.
I need them New Balances. The
990.
1,000. The 1,000 joints. Yo. How much is this? Let's see. They're 149. I need a job, bro. That's the first thing.
What the heck?
Or that's one of the things I'm gonna do today.
Bro, what the? We're reversing, but SPY is going up. It doesn't make, like, these channels are weird. Honestly, maybe it's something I'm not seeing. Let me go to the 15-minute. Not really. 5-minute. Guess we have a fair value gap. 5. Microsoft is very weak though. It's kind of more like a scalp. SPY is still going down. I ate some nasty food. I made the chopper spit. Bananas, nigga, I got to split. 5 by 6 line time. They don't have to play. They know where I spit my drink.
This nigga Morgan. I said Morgan. This nigga Jordan. This nigga left Morgan already. We ain't talk to niggas. Let's clean this room, clean this shit. I know this nigga from hopping the game.
SPY though, just don't get tired of dropping. Just don't get tired. What even is that wick, bruh?
Curve at math exam is insane. But there's no way. Why do I feel so
Wow. Spy just
Oh, it's my
okay.
man's birthday. You fucking talk.
Guys, Wawa has... Shout out to Chinese guy.
Bro, B.
Guys, Wawa has an insane offer.
Yes, that okay. So Illuminati, that's actually like literally why like they don't give deals anymore. I'm not even joking, because I ain't gonna lie, Sapnap fucked it up, bro. Sapnap fucked it up, bro. He fucked it up for everyone, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I don't give a fuck. He did, bro. He fucked it up for everyone. I ain't gonna lie. That motherfucker signed a multi-million-dollar deal to pull up 500 viewers, bro. I'm not like, bro, like, what the fuck, bro? But y'all niggas
Damn, bro. I did that, bro. What the fuck?
seriously, and nobody is just about to walk and just start grinding for free on y'all shit, bro. It's not even possible. That's why I said, how are y'all gonna even get niggas to come over? I'll explain why. So, well, let me finish in 15 seconds. There. I see y'all got academics. That's cute. Now, bro, we talking about bringing the culture.
You said that's cute.
To where people listen, now we on kick now. Y'all, we ain't on Twitch, we on kick now. Bro, I get what he's saying. I get what he's saying, but I'm gonna keep it a butt, bro. Twitch is gonna ban you eventually, so Illuminati. And don't think I'm not. But yes, that okay. So Illuminati, that's actually like literally why like they don't give deals anymore. I'm not even joking, because I ain't gonna lie, Sapnap fucked it up, bro. Sapnap. Skittles. No Skittles, idiot. Twix. Orange.
I wanted to buy more. Oh my gosh.
Instead of cheating.
I can still.
Yeah, well, you got some triceps.
Oh my god, I get this apple.
Alright.
Reese's. It's a motherfucker driving a Ferrari, mad that he got a Ferrari. But it's a motherfucker in a Honda, wishing he had a Ferrari. It's a motherfucker riding a bike, wishing he had a Honda. It's a motherfucker at a bus stop, wishing he had a fucking bike. It's a motherfucker homeless on a bench, wishing he had coffee to be on a bus because it's too fucking cold outside. It's a motherfucker in a hospital bed, wishing he was fucking homeless to even walk because he's paralyzed. It's a motherfucker
Yo,
dead,
Lori Harvey is
burning in
so
hell
weird.
right now, wishing he was fucking a paraplegic. So at least
Yo,
he goes
I
right
never
out
see
to
it.
the
Yo,
house and he be praying
Lori
every
Harvey
fucking
really
day,
pulled a
trying
turkey
to
on
avoid
this
going
man.
to hellfire.
Yo, nigga's so stupid. She said, well, I don't think I'm
I'm saying, be grateful.
What?
And never let desperation change your destination. Never let frustration change your destination.
Never let
temptation
desperation
change your
change your
destination.
destination.
Yeah, it's hard. Yeah, it's hard. But it's worth it.
Frustration change your destination.
God is hard, but he's not denying.
What are we
He's
doing,
delaying.
though?
And that
Like,
delay is preparation. It's a motherfucker driving a Ferrari, mad that he got a Ferrari. But it's a motherfucker in a Honda, wishing he had a Ferrari. It's a motherfucker riding a bike, wishing he had a Honda. It's a motherfucker at a bus stop, wishing he had a fucking bike. It's a motherfucker homeless on a bench, wishing he had coffee to be on a bus because it's too fucking cold outside. It's a motherfucker in a hospital bed, wishing he was fucking homeless to even walk.
bro,
because he's
what
paralyzed.
even
This
is
motherfucker dead,
this?
burning in hell right now, wishing he was fucking a paraplegic. So at least, even though his body don't work, his mouth works, and he be praying every motherfucking day, trying to avoid going to hellfire. Grateful, man. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, what? It's not even how candles work, bruh. Like, realistically, like, what are we doing? Microsoft has been weak all day, like, I think I'm gonna just add, like, there's no way. We just don't stop. This is the last ad. This is the last ad. This is the last ad, bruh. This is the last ad. After this, we can't push up. I'm out. This goes further down. I'm out. There's no way. We're in full size now. Where is my average cost is $39. Can we push back up? Thank you. There's no way we continue this downtrend.
How much I make money?
And never let desperation change your destiny.
You wanna get put on it?
Frustration change your destination.
I don't
Show
even
me a
understand
band.
stocks. I don't do that. Like, do you niggas even get the fucking money?
Yeah.
Like, you get paid
Yes.
from businesses.
I mean, yeah. If you do dividends, there's different things with stocks.
Interesting.
Yeah, me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Approximately $200 off pill. Live in the moment and die in the moment. Losing crazy, lose my pops felt real. Just like Tyreek Hill. Wait, so we're just not gonna push. Okay. Push higher. What? What? There we go. Break even. Man, break even. Alright, here's one of the levels. It has to break this. With conviction. Down $2. How's that down? It was a decay. My contracts are decaying, like. They're decaying that crazy though? What the heck? My theta is -2. Is that high? Where is a high theta for contract? Communication. Yeah, it's your time decay. I see, but like 0.15. 15 cents of value. So I lose $2 of value each day. This is open. $6. I really only need 6. But I mean, I know we can do a little bit more. Come on, bruh. Just take profit. Let's just stop these sellers out. Once the sellers get stopped out, we're good.
Ace.
Good, bruh. Oh my gosh. What is his contract to Oh my gosh. It's 10. Give me. Okay, 18. Trim. Mother trim. Let's trim. I don't know.
Oh, so
Not even gonna trim.
I don't know my phone either.
It's going higher though.
Bro, I want to look at the fucking shoe. The shoe on the shoe. No, they were. I wanted to see one.
Really hard to see if I can get a continuation.
Who on them is free? This nigga's blue
Oh,
pants.
let's take a trim. I'm trying to take trim of half my position, but like, how am I back at 10? Yo, the decay factor. Oh my gosh, it's killing me. I'm about to get out. Just at $26.
Like some 5 days or something in that touch that he had because my search is insane. It's not even my fault. It's not even my fault. It's not even
Yeah, half my position. Okay.
that's what it
I'm up 18. This literally does not make sense. Still up 16. I should short this. Oh, I should short. Oh, shoot. I should have shorted. Oh my god. This don't wick. No. That was like the weirdest contract movement ever. Yeah, wait. Oh my gosh.
Here's what's new for you today.
There we go. I'm out. Huh? I'm only up $6. What that mean? I broke even for the week. That was my goal. I just, you know, I had $130 and not really much time to catch anything. It's a break-even week. Done trading. Sometimes you just gotta take your break-evens. Lessons learned. Honestly, I don't know what went wrong yesterday. I gotta relook at the footage. Um, but it was kind of like yesterday was kind of like today. I knew I was right for sure. I sold at I got I got the money I wanted, but it wasn't the look I wanted. And sometimes you gotta think about it as like, if it's there, you just gotta take it. Like, you can't. It was just a huge wick up, super fast wick up. Made $140 in seconds, but I didn't press sell. I let it go down, let it wick, and even after the wick, I was like, oh, let me see if it pushes up. Me trading for as long as I've traded, I know after we have a huge candle like that, we're not the wick is not gonna the wick it's not gonna push up from the wick. That large candle is going to set the resistance, it's going to set the liquidity, and it's going to or set the support. It's going to set one of those three. It's not gonna wick. I mean, it's not gonna wick and then continue in the direction that it was going. I was right about the direction. Then I got a second chance, and I was like, oh, maybe it's gonna hit that wick. Didn't hit the wick. Didn't hit my level. It just kind of got up there. I got up to like 120, $120. Oh no, I got up to $80, $90, and it went back down the other way, and it did not come back for the rest of the day. So I had two opportunities. The market actually gave me grace, because a lot of people don't get grace in the market, and I missed them. Take your opportunities. That's really the lesson for today. Today I made the $60 back. Um, so I basically ended this week at net zero, honestly. Um, which is, I mean, not bad for me as long as I'm not taking a loss. I come back next week, take a couple wins. I really only have like 2 to 3 trading days because I'm going back to work next week, which, work might get in the way of it, but, you gotta fund it somehow, right? Like, what if I would have ended down $60 to $80 today? Like, you never know. So, I mean, you live and you learn. Shouldn't have took that big of a loss yesterday, but I mean, it wasn't even about risk control. It was really about taking profit. Like, I've been making an effort to like do like heavy risk control, and I've been really doing good. I learned a lot about risk control, but now it's about taking profit when you need to take profit, because taking trims, like even on that huge candle, I could have took a trim. I could have took a trim. I was in for 2 contracts. I could have took a heavy trim. And so even if I did feel like, oh, it could have continued back up, I would have made some money, or I would have been break even for the day, and then I had made money the previous day. So I could use the money I made the previous day, and I'd still be up for the week. I'd be up like $140 for the week, $130 for the week. But it is what it is. You know, you live and you learn. Um, I might catch another one, might not. More than likely won't catch another trade. Oh, I maxed out at 60 frames. I think that's because my monitor gets 75. That's weird. But I don't know why it's capped out at 60 frames. But yeah, that's it.